Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Today. Today in this video, I will tell you the amazing beauty benefits of almond oil for skin. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Almond oil is tremendously versatile nut oil used for many different purposes. Each has a pleasant nutty smell, is inexpensive and delivers a wide array of benefits. It is often used as an ingredient in skin and hair care products. Sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is one of the most effective oils for improving the condition of the skin and hair, comparable to many powerful skin and hair care products, but without the price tag or side effects. Let's have a look at some of the reasons we should all be going nuts over almond oil. For the skin, to moisturize the skin, almond oil is an excellent emollient looking moisture inside the skin. Apply it to both your body and face straight after a shower or bath for a maximum benefit. For a youthful glow, don't waste your money on expensive and additive-laden skincare products or cosmetics. Almond oil is fantastic for reducing face lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. It combats aging by destroying free radicals and provides the nutrients that your skin requires to repair itself. Just a few drops are required, and regular use will result in smooth, healthy, more youthful appearance. To improve dark under eye circles, before going to bed, apply a few drops of almond oil under your eyes. Gently massage and leave overnight. Almond oil really boosts blood circulation near the eyes, and when applied regularly, it will noticeably improve dark circles. To treat dry and dull skin. If you have dry skin or either your face or body, almond oil is the best oil for skin massage and is great for healing dry skin conditions. Within a few weeks of regular application, you will find your skin improving with less flaking and cracking. To repair chapped lips. If you suffer from cracked or chapped lips, try using almond oil instead of chapstick. As well as pleasant taste, you shall love the result. To remove makeup, put a few drops of almond oil onto a cotton pad and just wipe across your face as a makeup remover. Any makeup will adhere to the cotton pad and no rinsing is required. As an exfoliator, mix a teaspoon of almond oil and a teaspoon of sugar together and massage onto your face in small circular motion to get rid of dead skin cells and blackheads. As massage oil, almond oil is widely acclaimed and is recognized as one of the most popular and effective oil used by massage therapists. It has low viscosity, meaning it separates easily, and is thin and light. As a sunscreen, almond oil can be used as a light and effective barrier from potentially harmful ultraviolet A and ultraviolet B rays with a natural sun protection factor of 6. Thanks it to the abundance of vitamin E, it will also work to rejuvenate and hydrate the skin during and after sun exposure. To diminish stretch mark, massaging almond oil regularly onto stretch mark will improve and fair their appearance as well as toning and softening the skin. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching.